Adding fractions, so we need to find the LCM. So we have 15. 15 divide 3, that is 5. 5 times 2 natin, or times natin sa numerator, so the answer is 10. And then 15 divide 5, that is 3. Times 4, that is 12. So 10 plus 12, that is 22 over 50. So the answer is 22 over 50. Next, the common denominator is 30. 30 divide 5, that is 6. 6 times 6, 36. Plus 30 divide 6, 5. 5 times 1, that is 5. 36 plus 5, 41 over 30. So the answer is 41 over 30. Thank you. Now we